So, it's May 24 and it's 11:31. And mag-shoot lang kami ng mga photos for my Instagram for fun. And ang makeup artist ko si Miss Rosel. Hello. Hairstylist ko si Louie.
Hi guys.
First skill today is coffee. This is our last layout. 6:17 na. Medyo kuket-kuket ang vibe. Which is not me. First time ko lang mag-ganun. Guys, good morning. Today is May 25. It's 10:24 a.m. It's Saturday today, so I have one class na face-to-face kasi kailangan ko mag-present ng project ko. 11:45 pa naman yung presentation ko. Aalis na rin ako in a while. Andito pa kasi si Gio. Breakfast lang kami. Actually siya. Kasi I skip breakfast. Hey guys! So, it is now 12:30 p.m. and pauwi na ako sa house kasi tapos na yung class ko. Buti nakapag-present pa ako kasi late na ako dumating. Success naman and tapos na ako sa class na yon. So, today is May 26. It's currently 1:43 p.m. Punta kami ni Gio today sa South Trading Post. In-invite niya lang ako to go today. And actually, first time ko pumunta sa flea market. Gio is here!
It's me again!
Hanap lang kami ng parking kasi kakadating lang namin here.
Giving back to the world.
Guys, so 4:36 na, kakatapos lang namin dun sa flea market.
Naman kayo na sa flea market, we eat only pines. Feel ko nakita nyo naman yun. Kakain ulit kami
ng
potato corner.
kasi nag-crave siya.
Pero siya yung nag-mention. The only thing I got. Sana.
Yung pinunta namin ng pagkalayo-layo.
Oo, ang layo. Oo, sa layo.
Joke nga lang kasi. Guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung nabili ko. First, my flowers to myself. I forgot what this one is called. Pero ang ganda niya. Para
Cold
siyang,
flowers.
para siyang bell ng flowers. And it's
And it's
white.
cute.
It's my favorite color. Tapos, bumili lang ako ng jasmine rice. Bumili ako ng denim mini skirt. Kasi, tagal ko na gusto ng denim na mini skirt na sakto lang yung pagka-mini niya. Lastly, yung pang beach na necklace. So, ayan. Hi guys! Good morning! Today is May 28 and it's currently 12:06 p.m. Actually, kanina pa ako nagising pero ngayon lang ako nagsistart ng vlog. Yesterday, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi wala naman ako masyadong ginawa. Like, I stayed home lang. And then, I did my projects kasi this week is my last week in school. Summer break na namin after. Today, I just need to finish all my school projects and then need to go to the grocery kasi gusto kong kuha ng rigatoni pasta and I need to buy ingredients for that.
shelf. Triumphed over.
Whistledown will be reminded once and
Today is my last day of school. It's May 30, it's 12:36 p.m. I'm so excited for summer break kasi sobrang dami kong gustong gawin, puntahan. I'm gonna be more active. Punta ako sa school, so yung class lang na pupuntahan ko today is content crafting class. And kanina, nag-online class na lang din ako for my 3D modeling class. 1:45 pa naman yung start ng class namin, so I have enough time. Also, I'm super excited for tonight kasi pupunta kami ni Shanika sa concert ni Snow Allegra. Favorite namin si Snow and her music. Actually, ako nag-introduce kay Shanika kay Snow. Pero biglaan lang din kasi buti na lang sinend sa akin ni Shanika na today yung concert niya kasi nakalimutan namin bumili ng tickets. So, today lang din kami bumili ng tickets namin. I'm super excited kasi first concert namin to ni Shanika together. Mayang 8 p.m. pa naman yun. So, I also wanna get my lashes retouched today. Kasi mag-shoot ako tomorrow for a brand. Gas lang ako and then go to school. Nakatapos lang namin manood kay Snow. Ang galing niya, tapos ang ganda niya pa. Uy, parang gusto ko ng picture dito sa...
Oh, sige, dito ka sa kalsada. Ayan.
Oo.
Saan tayo magpipicture dito?
Hindi kasi, ang cute.
Yeah, girl. Go. Upo. Upo na sa floor.
As influencers in the wild. Hey guys, andito na ako sa condo ni Shanika. Kasi nag-film kami ng mga TikTok content. So, follow us on TikTok.
May ilaw na. Yeah, follow me at Shanika Silvery.
Kailangan ganun yung boses.
May ilaw kasi maganda.
Guys, ang ganda ng ilaw niya. Here, it's giving. Okay, yun lang. Update. Hi guys! So, today is May 31. It's currently 2:01 p.m. And nandito kami ni Gio sa Makati. Kakaalis lang namin sa Natsu Cafe. So, nag-brunch lang kami doon. And we also took photos. And now we're going to SM Makati kasi mag-pull out ulit kami sa H&M for my LA trip. Sama ko kay Gio kasi as an indecisive girly,
Kailangan niya ng taga-decide.
yeah. And then later, may fitting ako pupuntahan with Bonita. And yun lang. Kasama ko lang si Gio for today. Tapos, uwi na din kami after.